Two rising stars in email marketing, Brevo and MailerLite. Which one really delivers? On the left, Brevo, the omni-channel powerhouse for growing businesses. And on the right, MailerLite, simplicity made scalable for creators. Let's skip past the flashy feature lists and dive straight into what actually matters. Each round scores points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The winner for 2025? You might be surprised. Here's a quick mind map of all the stuff we're going to compare. We've got price, automation and CRM power, design editors, reporting and analytics, integrations, those extra marketing features, and of course, support and overall ease of use. Cool? Let's roll. First up, let's talk money, price. So Brevo gives you flexible pricing, including a free plan, and you get transactional emails as a bonus. But here's the catch. Their lowest paid plan starts at $25 a month. Not exactly pocket change, huh? On the flip side, MailerLite comes in hot with a ridiculously affordable $9 per month for their paid tier. If you're just starting out or you need to scale on a shoestring, that's pretty tempting, even though they recently trimmed down their free subscriber allowance a bit. Seriously, for most people's wallets, MailerLite kinda takes this round. Next, automation and CRM. Brevo gets really serious here. You get advanced multi-step workflows, built-in CRM for managing contacts and setting up triggers, and it even tosses in transactional SMS and WhatsApp. Honestly, that's pretty next level, but keep in mind, you'll hit a wall with integrations if you're on their lowest tier. Now, MailerLite makes automation easy. You get tags, goals, triggers, the basics, all wrapped in an interface that won't overwhelm you. But there's no built-in CRM, and you don't get those super complex workflows. If you want to set up powerhouse automations or dig into customer data, Brevo's definitely ahead in this category. All right, let's jump into design and editors. Brevo serves up a modern drag-and-drop editor and some sleek pre-designed templates. But, and I gotta be honest, the landing page builder, it's not the most intuitive thing in the world. Now, MailerLite, it's kind of a designer's dream. You get 3 different editors, drag and drop, rich text, and you can even work with custom HTML. Landing pages and their blog builder are way easier to handle. Plus, you get more templates to choose from. Sure, their classic editor has an occasional glitch, annoying, right? But MailerLite easily wins for creative freedom. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Brevo was actually Send in Blue before the big rebrand? And MailerLite, it's behind the scenes for more than 1 million businesses, powering their emails worldwide. Wild, right? Moving on. Reporting and analytics. With Brevo, you're getting real-time open and click stats and basic campaign analytics, which is honestly super helpful for regular email blasts. Advanced segmentation, though, you might find it a bit limited. MailerLite brings rich campaign insights to the table, offers conversion tracking, and lets you dive into A/B test reports. Although, if you want interactive email reporting, you're not going to find it. But overall, both platforms are kind of neck and neck on analytics, so we'll call this one a tie. Let's switch gears to integrations. Brevo comes with over 50 plugins. Think Shopify, WooCommerce, Zapier, and more. API access and SMS add-ons give it extra muscle. Only hitch here, they've got fewer options in the overall ecosystem. Then you've got MailerLite, which just goes all out. More than 100 integrations, especially if you're on e-commerce or working with a CMS. Plus, you get API and custom workflow options. One thing I gotta mention is that transactional email isn't really built in. You'll need MailerSend for that. But still, MailerLite totally wins for sheer integration power. Now, extra marketing features. Let's see who's bringing something cool to the table. Brevo is seriously omni-channel. You get transactional SMS, WhatsApp, subscription forms, and notifications. If you want to connect with people everywhere, it's got your back. Except interactive emails are still missing. MailerLite, meanwhile, lets you build entire websites, landing pages, and even run a blog. There's a slick offline iPad app for collecting subscribers at events. Plus, you can set up an e-commerce store. But there's no SMS or WhatsApp built in. So if omni-channel messaging is high on your wish list, Brevo's the winner in this round. Finally, support and ease of use. Brevo gives you 24/7 support via email, chat, and even phone. Onboarding a team? Super straightforward. But sometimes that interface gets a little tricky. Now, MailerLite prides itself on being super simple. Even total beginners will feel right at home. You do get email and chat support, but yeah, no phone calls. Still, for most people looking for something easy and intuitive, MailerLite just nails it. Let's zoom out for a sec and look at the overall radar chart. You'll see MailerLite just edges ahead on price, design tools, integrations, and ease of use. Brevo absolutely shines for automation, CRM, and omnichannel extras. Overall, the chart really shows both have their strengths, so which way are you leaning? So here's my take. If you want max simplicity, and you're watching your budget, or you've got loads of creative ideas, MailerLite's gotta be your go-to. If you need heavyweight automation, built-in CRM, or want to fire off marketing messages anywhere, from emails to SMS and WhatsApp, that's where Brevo steps up. Either way, it totally comes down to how big you're trying to grow and what kind of workflow works for you. Find your perfect match? Don't forget to subscribe for more honest, insightful SaaS showdowns. I'll catch you on the next one.